What is the most appropriate type and fast route to obtain a U.S. green card? Some U.S. green card applicants can be exempted from the labor certification application requirement by their extraordinary ability, outstanding research, or their job positions as multi-international executives or managers. The green card applicants with extraordinary ability, outstanding professors and researchers, and transferring executives and managers can receive high priority for U.S. green cards. Priority workers fall into the first preference category of U.S. employment-based immigration. An immigrant visa in this context actually means a U.S. green card, or lawful U.S. permanent residence. Technically speaking, an immigrant visa is what the applicant needs in order to enter the U.S. and become a green card holder. People with extraordinary ability may be eligible for a first employment-based preference, or also called EB1A. A green card applicant with extraordinary ability in the arts, sciences, education, business, or athletics is eligible for treatment as a priority worker in the EB1 extraordinary ability immigration category. The EB1 visa is a fast and expedited way to get a U.S. green card for those who have extraordinary abilities or accomplishments in their field. It is the first preference employment-based visa, and is considered the fastest route to a green card. For U.S. green card applicants with an advanced degree, master's, or above, there are 3 ideal options to apply for a U.S. green card. These options are in different immigration classifications in employment-based immigration, which include A. EB1A, aliens with extraordinary ability in the sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics. B. EB1B, outstanding researchers and outstanding professors. C. EB2NIW, members of professions holding advanced degrees applying for a waiver of labor certification in the national interest of United States. Obtaining a U.S. green card for a priority worker in first preference category is typically easier than doing so in some of the other employment-based immigrant visa categories. The reason is that the employer does not need to start out by attempting to recruit U.S. workers for the job, and then seeking labor certification on the employee, or called perm labor certification, with confirmation that no such workers are available in the U.S. job market. Permanent labor certification, PERM, is a process that allows employers to hire foreign workers to live and work in the United States permanently. The PERM labor certification process tends to take many months and involves staggering complexity. In fact, within the subcategories for workers of EB1 extraordinary ability and EB2 national interest waiver, the foreign national does not even need a job offer from a U.S. employer at all. Some people with advanced degree do not know how to apply for U.S. green card in above 3 preferred categories, but instead, these people actually apply for a labor certification instead. However, choosing labor certification is not the best strategy and quicker way for people who may qualify for one of the above 3 ideal immigration classifications, such as EB1A or EB2NIW. A green card applicant should determine the most appropriate type and fast route to obtain a U.S. green card. By using the Form I-140 of United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, each type of above EB1A or EB2NIW application requires different kind of evidence. Some people may qualify for more than one immigrant categories of EB1 or EB2. The following are some issues to know about the EB1 visa application. 1. Eligibility. The EB1 visa is for people with very high achievements, such as researchers, professors, and high-level executives. There are 3 subcategories of EB1 visas, each with different criteria and processing times. A. EB1A, for people with a record of sustained national or international acclaim. You can apply for this category without a job offer or sponsorship from a U.S. employer. B. EB1B, for people with international recognition in academia. C. EB1C, for people who have worked abroad in an executive or managerial role for their company. 2. Processing time. The processing time depends on the USCIS office, but you should receive a decision within 4 to 8 months. You can request premium processing for a decision within 15 days for an additional fee. 3. Labor certification. The EB1 visa waives the lengthy perm labor certification process, which can save applicants several months. Thank you for watching the video. We offer high-quality complete do-it-yourself packages for U.S. green card application and working visa application, and we provide many samples of reference letters, and samples of petition cover letters for U.S. immigration and green card application, and we also let you know the U.S. green card application process and how to get your green card quickly. If you want to apply for a U.S. green card, our website greencardapply.com and complete do-it-yourself packages can help you get green card quickly, even without an U.S. employer sponsorship, and bypass the labor certification process. I hope the audience will give us a thumbs up, and subscribe our YouTube channel, to let the knowledge of U.S. green card application spread to more immigrants, and let YouTube's algorithm recommends our videos to more viewers. For further and detailed information of U.S. green card application, please visit our website greencardapply.com. Thank you.